Hi guys, welcome to another Saturday NFT show. Today we have a very exciting project with us. Why? Because this project is also brought by one of the famous NFT artists. Like whenever this guy touches any art, there's a 90 to 80% chance that this is gonna become something of a piece of gold. Because he's already made a few projects before in the past. We've also seen his project, Bitcoin Bull Society. It's one of the most famous projects on the marketplaces, Crypto Bull Society. On the past, he's have about 7.8k items, 4.8k owners, and floor price right now for the bulls is about 1.54. Volume traded is very good, 11.5k, and there are about 77 unique 3D art pieces designed by Gal Yusuf. So who are we talking about here? Is Gal Yusuf. Gal Yusuf is very famous in the NFT industry these days, and even right now because he's gonna be coming up with a new project. So these were the bulls that he made a few months or a year ago. They got so famous. I really wanted to have one of the golden bulls, but was bought by the moon. He owns the gold real bull, that is the whale bull. So that one was very interesting, and he owns that. This was his project. It's very famous activity here. It's still very good, very genuine. It's about $5,000, $4,000, and the project has a lot of hype. Like this is the saying in the market, like whatever he touches turns into gold. But the guy's just a magnificent artist. So the project that we have for so the project that we're going to be discussing for him is going to be called Meta Eagle Club. And Meta Eagle Club is by Gal Yusuf. It's going to be about eagles. But the best thing about here is you can even see in the animation, oh my god, just look at the detail in the wings, the steel texture, the face, the feather touch on the face, and even on the wings. This is absolutely crazy stuff. Very talented artist. This is the intro of it. A lot of hype going around about this right now in the market. Everybody is very bullish on this, and everybody definitely thinks this is gonna be a huge project. I'm also very excited and looking forward to it. That's why I decided I should share it with you guys today on our Saturday NFT show. And they're gonna be having on February 7th, which is in 2 days. They have about 12k eagles, so 8k Meta Eagles pre-sale starts in the next 2 days. February 8th, a raffle begins public sale, and February 9, 4K Meta Eagles public sale. So in the next few days, it's gonna be having a lot of events from public sale to pre-sale. Yeah, I would obviously want to be participating in the pre-sale. So if you want to be part of the pre-sale, uh, so if you want to be part of the pre-sale, you can do allocations are granted via Galverse Discord, CBS holder raffles, giveaways, and special activities. RNS NC Platinum Key. So if you have all these things, you can part of pre-sales. I'm already in Discord, so if you're looking for it, I'm there. I'll be able to see you. Mint price right now, it's gonna be about 0.35 plus gas. This is one of the best thing you can get. A maximum of 2 Meta Eagles can be minted per wallet. So this is a very good price. If it didn't bounce yesterday, the price would have been even better. But let's see what are the price by the time we come on to the launch day, which is going to be on the 7th. So here we go. We can check out the release date. It's going to be on Monday 7 2 p.m. What's the difference between pre-sale and public sale? You can read here. How many eagles I can mint? 2 per wallet. What is the mint price? 0.35. How can I register? Just go on the website, connect your wallet, click enter raffle. Only wallets with mint price plus gas fees will be eligible to enter the raffle. So be sure about that. And overall, definitely this project is gonna make headlines. It's gonna be everywhere. If you wanna know more about Gal Yusuf, you can check out his Instagram. He's about 120 posts, 157 followers, 3760 following. This is a demo version where you can see whether you like this or not. And it's already been presented on New York Times Square, so it already has a lot of hype. I really like this one. This looks crazy. Look at how he made Dragon Ball Z. So the artist is definitely out of this world. Whatever he does is definitely going to be making some massive upside. So definitely this is one project I would advise you guys get into this. This is definitely going to upside, and I'm very sure it's going to give you very good returns because the guy himself is so famous. It's going to be very shocking if we don't have something like that going on this project. So definitely there are gonna be some upsides. Just be ready, be active in the Discord, join the channels, be there, and I'm 110% sure this project is gonna be a massive success very soon. So now let's jump into our other projects. The first project I've shortlisted today is Hyperbase Club Official. They have about 10k items, 6.9k owners, 0.749 floor price, and about 11k volume traded. Pretty decent. A classic 10k collection, 10,000 collection by Ernest. The Hyperbase movement has reached people from all over around the world. Owning one grants you access an exclusive social club which provides variety of perks including alphas, real world utilities, and many more. So we can see that the art is already non-discoverable, so we can't really see the art. So that's another thing we've discussed plenty of times on our Saturday NFT shows, that this is really getting a lot of hype these days in the markets, because it's like a surprise. Nobody can really see what the art exactly is, and it creates a curiosity, and that's how you get more sales. So it's about $2,000 trading right now. 4,000 also have. There's a bunch of different valuations right now for this project. I think the floor is about 2,231 and looks okay. Activity looks pretty decent as well. There's a lot of hype about the project as well. I've seen their website and done all my background searches. So definitely one project I'm gonna be keeping my eyes out for, and I feel this can probably in a month or two, if they do hit all the targets, they can easily be worth 20k to 10k, somewhere in the middle. Then let's jump into Lives of Asuna. This looks very good project, I must say. It has about 10k items, 6.8k owners. Floor price is 1.98998, so it's pretty reasonable. Volume traded right now is very good. It's about at 17k, and glimpses into 10,000 unique lives lived by Asuna through this collection of hand-drawn enemy-inspired NFTs by Zumi and Hagglefish. So these are also quite hidden. They are not available for everybody to view, not discoverable. So again, creates a curiosity for the people because it's hidden, they can't see much. And if you look at the activities right now, it's trading about $5,000. Yes, pretty much $5,000. So the floor is somewhere around $5,950 for Asuna. Asuna also is a project, definitely looks to be having a great upside and probably gonna make some massive moves in the short term because it has a very strong background, team, utilities. So I'm very sure and confident this project is gonna be seeing an upside as well. The next one we have is Spicy Supernormals. A thought-provoking, authentic, and detailed exploration into the nuisance of what it means to be extraordinary. This got about 8.9k items, 4.9k owners. Floor price is 1.73. Volume traded is 22.22k. So that's pretty reasonable there. This art looks magnificent without any doubt. So if you want to look into this one's art, you have to zoom in and look at yourself. I definitely think this one's art is very like really outstanding, and a lot of detail. Even the backgrounds have details. I really like this one. This is gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna be putting an offer soon as well. Maybe I'm gonna try to get it around 1.2 ETH. That would be I think a very good offer here, a counter offer. This project definitely looks to be having a very good upside coming. So let's jump into that activity. So we jump into the activity, we can see it's trading around $6,800, $5,000, $7,000. That means the project is still picking up its floor price is still not stabilized yet. There's a lot of influx of people coming in, new buyers coming in, and the floor is not stable right now, which is a very good thing about a project, because you definitely know that if you put your own project at a different offer, you can get very good returns here. And if you look at the activity, it's going from 2 hours, 3 hours, and they just keep going on. So that means this project is really making some massive waves and really gathering and catching people's eyes here, just like the Zippy here. So the reason why I feel these projects do have that potential, because we have a 24% volume here and we also have a 7-day percent. So Azuki we discussed last week is about 36% down in the last 24 hours, but it's still up in the 7 days. Bored Ape Yard Club is up on the 7 days and it's down on to 24%. Clone X same, Mutant Ape same. As we know, Bored Ape was bought by Justin Bieber, one of our famous musicians. that everybody loves and knows about. So he bought one Bored Ape Yacht Club, bought it at a very, very high cost, way above the floor price. But that's how NFTs are going about right now. So if you look at Zippy Super Normal, it's down about 54% today, but it's up 78%. And if you look at the items, owners, and the floor price, it definitely shows us that it has the potential to go on an upside. Similar situation for lives of Asuna as well. It has floor price, and look at this, 124% up in the last 7 days. Similar situation for Hyperbase Club official as well. It's down, but they don't have the 7 days data. But considering how they're all lined up close to each other, this is definitely going to be an upside here. So a lot of you have been asking me what are the updates on Gate.io's NFTs and how can we get into them, how can we buy them, what is exactly they about. Since its launch in April 21, Gate.io's NFT Magic Box has grown into a serious contender in the NFT space. The platform has already featured many industries first, such as OpenPunks, the world's first community-driven punks collection, and in November the company launched one of the first initial NFT offering platforms. What are INOs? Much like initial exchange offerings and initial coin offerings, initial NFT offerings act as a launch platform for newcomers in this space. NFT creators use INO platforms to launch an initial batch of NFTs to users, allowing them to get in early on promising new projects or collections. INOs on Gate.io's NFT Magic Blocks launched in November 2021. The initial NFT offering platform on NFT Magic Box has grown tremendously over the last few months and now includes collections from the likes of NFT Magic Box own OpenPunks as well as Dreamworld, Super Infinity, K9s, Masterhorn Clubs, Kikoverse, iFans, Metaverse X, and many more. How to launch your NFTs on NFT Magic Box. Creators are invited to apply to be listed on the NFT Magic Box INO platform by completing this form. The NFT Magic Box team thoroughly vets applications and creators expect a reply on their application within 5 business days of submission. Creators may also qualify to receive grants from their projects. NFT Magic Box is a zero threshold platform built on Gate.io's initial chain ecosystem, meaning artists and creators alike can mint new NFTs on the platform without paying any minting fees while focusing on what matters most, creating interesting new pieces of art on the platform. So I hope this clears a lot of things that you guys had been asking me, and please join Gate.io. It's one of the best exchange. It's definitely gonna give you NFTs, degen coins. There's so many things you can earn here. So without any waste, click in the link below and join Gate.io today. So this week on Saturday NFT show, we shared with you 3 projects that can potentially have a very good upside. And I also shared with you one special project that is going to be on mint on Monday. And you can get it for 0.35 ETH plus gas fees. That could be the best offer for you to get into NFTs ASAP. And maybe that's going to be your first NFT. So now we can jump into BTC USDT and quickly see what is happening here as well. Because so much action happening here, we just don't want to be missing it. So अभी अगर हम लोग clarity देखें, we can see that we're having good highs here going on right now. We are making a very beautiful bull flag, though we have to be realistic here. We wouldn't mind any kind of correction coming here and trying to test this zone and having a bounce. Again, if we come back down here or remain sideways, and then have a breakout, that is also likely. We've seen that happening here as well. But what we have to be worried about here is that we come down and break this trend. We don't want to do that at all. So we want to maintain this trend and watch for anything closing between 39,500 to 41,500 is a very good place for us to be. Considering it's a weekend, market can be sideways and we can also see some crazy moves coming like we did yesterday. But yesterday was still Friday, was still a working day. Maybe today and Sunday is going to be very sideways, or maybe some pullbacks here and there. Overall, market looks very good. You just have to be very careful here. If we jump into crypto greed and fear index, as I always keep saying, 20 is a very important place, and we have seen a bounce from 20 from yesterday, and now we are at 33. 33 already shows us that we are beginning to build some kind of a bottom. Even if we have a pullback from here, likeliness is we're gonna go back to 20 or even 10. We wouldn't mind that, because even if we see that, we know from our 1 year's history that we have seen these places several times here, and even upsides of about 27%, 34% similarly before in the past as well. So we want to continue this and be in our accumulation zone and carry on making the market sideways here and having some kind of a relief rally and bounces coming along the way, because market just can't be sideways, just can't be dumping, just can't be pumping. It has to do all three of them in every day. So every 24 hours counts. Market is very, very bullish right now. Just be very careful when you're taking trades. Don't get into them and think that you're gonna, take the bull market by storm and take the Bitcoin to 50,000. Just be realistic. Be very, very calculative of the trades you're taking. You can go into AR, you can get into layer ones right now, you can get into utilities. If you want to get into metaverse, just stick to Gala, UFO, Sand, and Mana. And DCA, please into the entries. Just don't buy everything all in one place, and then if the market dumps from here, you're gonna have a massive loss. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section.